Alright ladies and gents, so Sefaspe have sent me this little welder to try out. Let's check him out and see what he's all about.
This one's the 200 amp. I think you get a little bit more flexibility out of a 200 amp stick welder. Anything under the 200 amps seems to struggle on the thicker materials.
So we've got a little mask with all the bits and pieces to put him together yourself. She's 110 ready, and 210, 240, 250, whatever you want to call it, ready. We've got some welding rods for your first welding job. We've got a bit of a doinky chipping hammer and wire brush. And actually a pretty good quality earth clamp and electrode holder.
Does a pretty nice job on this 2¼ inch stainless steel exhaust. I'm running pretty low amps here at 60 amps. Just doing little spot welds with an overlap and a 316L welding rod. A link for this great little welder will be in the description along with these rods. If you're looking to learn a little bit of welding, or you're thinking of buying a friend or a relative a little welder for Christmas or their birthday, this little fella is the sort of welder you'll have and use for the rest of your life. They're versatile and can weld pretty much everything, and unlike other welding disciplines, you don't need to worry about gas and other expensive consumable items.